Hey everyone, I am here with some updates from my Florida butterfly garden. And the best update by far is the Florida blue sky is back. Clear skies and lots of sunshine. I love it. However, it is only 53 degrees and there is a good breeze that's keeping it quite chilly, but we are on our way to a warm up and I'm here for it. First update besides the blue sky I want to talk about is my plants are still covered because we still have a chance to hit some freezing temperatures tonight, so I haven't uncovered them yet. So you'll see them next week. And I'm hoping to be able to uncover them tomorrow. Today's Friday, and this video is going up for you guys tonight. I'm so excited to be able to post a Friday video for you all. We are supposed to have spring-like temperatures all week next week in the 70s, 10-day outlook. Every day is 70s, each day a little warmer, and it's got that beautiful little sunshine emblem the first few days, and then later in the week we have the sunshine with one little cloud, a week of spring. And hopefully that's it for winter. Time will tell. But as we get closer and closer to mid-February, I'm feeling better and better about moving beyond this crazy spell of cold weather in Florida. My newly planted beautiful native trees seem to be doing just fine in these cool temperatures. We also had some really good rainfall over this last week. I'm sure they are loving. This is the new Jamaican caper, and the last one we looked at was the sweet acacia. Same with the silver buttonwoods. Look unfazed by the cold. I love it. And this guy here, oh my, absolutely gorgeous. Is this the, I always forget the name of this plant when I want to say it, like wild blue indigo. Is that it? The sage? It is just thriving. Look how happy it is. My marlberry, Bahama senna, everybody is just looking fabulous. Wild limes are just growing and looking spectacular and ready to lure in the giant swallowtails in the spring, hopefully soon. So you guys, this is a great time to put in a little plug for native plants. Native plants, great to go with in your garden. First of all, they have evolved over time with all the little wildlife inhabitants that they support, like all the insects and pollinators and butterflies and caterpillars. So they're made perfectly for each other. And second, you don't have to give them any special treatment. They actually naturally know how to survive right where they are if they're native to your area. So, native plants, fabulous. Okay. The dogs have not appreciated the cold and rainy days. We had 3 rainy, cold days in a row where we were pretty much completely inside. And yesterday it didn't even get out of the 40s. And I know some of you up north are like, oh my goodness, 40s is balmy. You're commenting it's balmy. But not to me or to them. So they're happy to be sitting out here enjoying the garden chairs. But something that has happened this year that has never happened for the existence of my whole channel, and this is season 6, is I have no caterpillars. And I haven't for, it's been weeks. I've seen a couple butterflies here and there, but The ones I released, I haven't seen. And I don't know, it's lonely. The lepidarium, completely empty. When it warms up, I'm going to bring it out and give it a huge clean out and get it ready to house some future caterpillars. I'm so excited. Like, I'm dreaming about the moment I put the first little inhabitant into the lepidarium in 2025. It's crazy. Um, I have one butterfly, one little Atala butterfly eclosed, and is currently on my nightstand in my bedroom. Here's a little peek of it. It's adorable little self. Funny thing is I've been feeding butterflies that I've had to keep in due to this wacky weather with the Gatorade and the cotton square, but I haven't brought in cuttings for them because somebody commented on a video a while ago, plants stop producing nectar when you take in a cutting, so you should feed them in a different way. But I started thinking about it, I was like, okay, it might stop producing, but it's not gonna remove all of the nectar that is currently in it. So as long as I provide fresh cuttings, should be fine, right? And that's exactly what happened. I've been taking in fresh cuttings of my sweet almond, and this little adorable butterfly has been delighting in it, and I love that. I cannot wait to release this little one. It's been with me for 3 days now, so hopefully, I don't think it'll be tomorrow. I'm not sure it's going to warm up enough. Hopefully on Sunday, I will let this sweet baby fly. I still have 2 more little chrysalides, so maybe one of them will eclose and they'll have friends. I don't know. I don't know, but I'm hoping to let it go. And that's all I have. And then, I have my little adorable overwinterers in their cute little pockets, like little sleeping bags. They're just hanging out for the winter. So hopefully they'll all be just fine, snug as bugs in their little chrysalides, and they'll be closing in the spring to help get this garden repopulated. I cannot wait to see what it's going to be like. Like, how quickly are the butterflies going to return? So I don't know, but we'll find out because I'm going to be regularly making videos and reporting in what's going on in my Florida butterfly garden. So make sure you're subscribed so you can follow along as the events roll out and unfold. It's so exciting. The seedlings that I started are doing okay. The ones in my bathroom window are so much better than the ones that are in the Florida room under the grow light. But there's only so many I can fit on my bathroom window. But as soon as it gets bigger and I can transplant them out here when it gets warm enough in my garden, then I'll definitely move some of the other ones into the bathroom window. I think all year I'm just going to keep seeds starting in that window because it just gets the best sunlight. So that's pretty cool. And that also helped me keep on track to make sure I don't run out of Mexican sunflowers like I did last year. I do have to say that from years past, my garden is definitely looking greener and more alive. And it'll look even more so when I uncover all of my plants. But I think that's just because I've been filling in so much, and also the fact that I'm looking at adding specifically more evergreen natives to my garden. I think that's going to make a huge difference in next winter, even more so. I hope you've enjoyed this little update, just hanging out with me in my garden. Not much to see because it's all covered, but just letting you know what's going on. And oh gosh, next week's going to be fabulous. I just want to spend one whole day just sitting and basking in the sun with my sunscreen on, but sitting and basking in this glorious Florida sunshine that is finally returning to our normal average temperatures in the low 70s. And I'm here for it. I know a lot of you are here for it. I know some of you up north are going to live vicariously through my garden next week. And yeah, and I'll see you then. So subscribe if you haven't already, and tap the like button if you enjoyed this video. And thank you, those of you who commented on the last video and let me know what temperature it was where you are. I think the lowest was in Pennsylvania. We had negative. Oh my goodness. Everybody stay warm. And if you're bored, you can join the Milkweed crew and go back and watch all of my old seasons, which are there for members only, because they're old and they're funny and they're fun, but it's not the most current information, which is why they're there for my members. And I will see you guys in my next video.